Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this message cannot be displayed on Telegram. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to enable sensitive content. Launch Telegram on your device and search for the NiceGram bot. Now tap on the Start button. After that, tap on I'm 18 years old. Finally, tap on Show Sensitive Content and restart Telegram. Another way to fix the error on Telegram is to disable content filtering via web app. First, open your web browser and access your Telegram account. After that, click on More Options in the upper left corner of the page and go to Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security and scroll down to the Sensitive Content tab. Lastly, check the Disable Filtering option. Restart Telegram afterwards and check if the problem is solved. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.